Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, you are the parents. I am also the parents. Okay, I have two children. Okay. First of all, I will. My topic name is Triple R. It is not movie. Triple R movie not. Junior MTR not. It is a Triple R. Right guidance, right action, and right environment. Right. I want to talk about that. But before going ahead, first of all, I will thank to Ma'am, Gautam sir, and my dad. He came for my presentation because I thought about that. I am a children. My dad is came and like a school. You are going to everyone nowadays. Every school taking parents meeting, and you have to go there, right? Sometimes every teacher what you talk about that you listen carefully, and I'm also going there, and I'm also parent, and I'm thinking about that when I'm going to parents meeting. That time so many limited parents are talking for their student. Why? They are confident. They are talking to English because my children are going to English medium. I have understand the English, but I can't talk English. And my like my bad experience, I had joined this class. I will really thankful to Gautam sir because I am the youngest student of this class. I thought because my batch is so many students are 6th standard, 4th standard. Someone are doing like housewife. They have children also, but they are. I am the younger one student. Okay, and come to my point. Triple R. I want to talk about the triple R. What about the triple R? Like right guidance. You have to choose any field, right? You have to choose any field. You want to proper guidance. I have one example about that. When you have to learn drive the car. Anyone drive the car या Activa? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So many little response there. Okay, no problem. When the time you are driving the car, the sir told everyone. Sir told this is a steering, this is a clutch, this is a brake, and this is the accelerator. Okay, they teach on that. But what the right action? First of all, we sit on the driving seat. Okay, this is our right action, and sir give the right guidance about English because without English we cannot survive after some year. You know about that. That's why you choose this class for your children. Okay, you are the right path and you are the right parent. I think so about that because you have to choose any field like your children become a doctor, engineer, scientist, yeah, teacher also. That time you need English is must because other after 10 when you get admission in other college, the English is must. That's why this is the right guidance you have take here. Okay, right action about I will sit in the driving seat, but I am not driving. Only just doing like that. Clutch and gadi is off. Gadi is going on anywhere? No, because gadi is not start, and it is called a right environment. Because you want to go somewhere, na, you start up your gadi, yeah, your vehicle, your car, and after that you start like a race. Then your vehicle is moved forward. Like that, your environment is most important. I will give I always give one example about the कोयला. I want to talk about that because it's the most important thing. एक कोयले को आप जलाते हो ना, it takes so little time and it is off. Okay, but you take 7, 8 koilas, a bunch of coal. That time you burn that, it takes so many time, like half an hour. And one like train also moving for this coal. Before time, train is moving only for koila, and the power of environment is most important. And sir give us such a wonderful environment to us because we are talking only English, and that's why I prove myself, proving I'm talking English. And I want to give my introduction because I'm not giving that. Why? Because I want to say something about that. Why sir choosing me? Can you tell me why sir choose me? No one. Yeah, I will tell you because I am completed my 27 assignment, qualified people, take interviews, and other I am 243. Daily I am making videos like your student. I will make videos, and that's why sir choose me, and sir give me some wonderful opportunity to talk in front of you. And about that myself, My name is Vijaya Rajesh Savli. I am doing business as well as I am a mother. I am housewife doing business, and also I am a student of 0 to Hero English Academy. And I am really thank you for clapping. And but really it is a very so many time problems I have facing so many time problems. Then also I have to complete my all activities. Why? Because I want to English confident very soon. And it is a right way gold badge because you are a right guidance, right action and right environment, and you definitely after some time you become English confident. And really I am thankful to all of you because you listening me. This is a great thing. Please clap for you.